back to my channel. It's me again, Vien. I know guys, it's been a while guys. I've been so busy for the past few months, especially nung January and February. Sobrang dami kong inasikaso kaya hindi ako napag-upload ng mga videos. Pero ngayon, tas sumabay pa tong lockdown na to, kaya hindi talaga ako makapag-upload ng videos ko. Pero ngayon guys, nagbabalik ako para mag-unbox ng Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus. Ito siya guys. Ayan guys, actually in-order ko siya online. Doon sa Samsung website mismo. Gusto ko talaga yung color blue, kaso nung in-order ko siya sa Samsung wala pa. So nag-email ako sa Samsung para inform nila ako once na may available stock na ng color blue. So I waited, I think mga after 3 days bago sila nakapag-email. So nung nag-email sila, I ordered right away ng Samsung Galaxy Earbuds color blue kasi nga, it's very nice, it's very classy, kaya ito yung gusto ko. So, umorder ako ng around May 11. Actually, ang tagal nga kasi nagkaroon lang ng MECQ May 16. So, May 11 ako nag-order. So, dumating siya ngayon lang, May 2022. So, I waited for this Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus. So, ayoko na patagalin guys. Let's unbox this Earbuds Plus. So, ayan guys. I-unbox na natin siya. First, cut muna natin yung tape. Ayan. Ayan, unbox na natin siya. Ang hirap niyang matanggal. Ayan guys, it's so nice. Tingnan niyo yung color. It's so classy. Pero itabi muna natin siya. Tingnan muna natin to. Of course, there's a manual. Alam ko may manual dito. Saan yung manual? Of course, there's a manual. Ito siya guys. Ayan, quick start guide. If you wanna know more about these earbuds, pwede mong basahin yung manual na included sa box. Tapos, meron din ang box na different sizes of earbuds, tsaka wingtip. Ayan guys, I guess this is the bigger one. Tapos ito yung smallest. Tapos ito yung extra wingtip. Ayan guys. Oh, by the way, there is a cord included in the box kung gusto mo i-charge. Kung wala kang wireless charging, meron silang included na USB type C na included sa box. So ito na guys. Oh, diba ang ganda niya? Oh. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video guys. I-unbox ko lang talaga tong Galaxy Earbuds Plus ko. Probably gagawa ko ng separate videos for my reviews for this Galaxy Earbuds Plus kung okay nga talaga yung quality niya. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to click like and subscribe button para laging updated kung meron akong i-upload na videos. Thank you, bye!